Hey guys, this is a quick unbox of this TP-Link Kasa. This is a smart camera with a 24/7 recording. So I got this on Amazon. Let me just unbox here and see what's inside. So here's the box. And there we go. It comes here with some documentation. So instructions on how to use it. License, a sticker so you can install your camera. Here it brings this power supply, so you can just connect and power the camera on. And there we go. Here we see some screws and anchors, so you can install the camera as well. And here a support to install the camera as well, a mount, right? And that's the camera itself. Let me just move it from here. There we go, a small camera. Let me just approach here so you see better. There we go. You see that you have an LED just right here, the lens in the center, and a microphone. And it's a pan and tilt camera, so it can move this way on the horizontal and the vertical. And here there is a speaker. So this camera has bi-directional communication. You can use your cell phone to talk to somebody and also to listen to somebody, right? And here you can just connect to a power supply and have the camera working, right? And here on the bottom, you have the place so you can use the mount and install your camera, okay? So pretty simple and also pretty interesting. You can just install your camera and start using it. That's a quick unbox, so you see that you have everything that you need for the installation. There we go. And also some documentation. And here's the box, right? If you want one, you can just go to Amazon and get yours there. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.